Hello, grammar geniuses. Welcome back. This is our final video for Unit 4. And guess what? We've saved the absolute best magic trick for last. We're going to learn all about the super duper important verb to be. All right, are you ready for some serious grammar magic? Go on, grab your wizard hats, because we are stepping right into Genius's magical grammar laboratory. And today, you are the magicians. We're going to learn the secret spell words that make all our sentences totally awesome. You ready? Let's go. Okay, every amazing spell needs some magic ingredients, right? Well, ours has 3. Our magic words are am, is, and are. Let's check out how to use them. Rule number 1 is so easy. Ready? Whenever you're talking about yourself using the word I, you always use the magic word am. Come on, everybody point to yourself and say it loud with me. I am strong. And you know what? We can even say it a shorter way. I'm strong. Awesome job. Okay, on to rule number 2. This is for when we're talking about just one other person, like he or she, or maybe just one thing, like it. When it's just one, we use the magic word is. So you'd say, he is my brother. She is tall. It is a red ball. See? Simple. And here is our third and final magic rule. Now, when we're talking about more than one person, like we or they, the magic word we need is are. And here's a little secret. It's the same for you. So we say, we are excited, they are clever, and you are amazing students. Fantastic! Okay, you've learned all the rules, which means it's your turn to be the magician. That's right, it's game time. I'm going to show you a sentence with a word missing, and you get to pick the magic word to finish the spell. All right, first one up. He, good. What do you think? Do we use is or do we use are? Take a second to think about it. He is good. Yes, fantastic. You got it. Because he is just one person, we use is. You're a total natural at this. Let's do another one. Look. It's something a red ball. So is it is or am? What do you think? It is a red ball. Woohoo! Brilliant! Since it is just one thing, the magic word is. You are doing amazing work. Okay, magicians, here's the last challenge for this game. Something excited. Should we use am or are? I know you've got this. We are excited! Yes! Woohoo! You totally did it! We means more than one person, so we need the word are. Excellent! Excellent job, my magic friends! Wow, you are doing so well. But you know, every great magician needs one more little trick. What if we want our sentence to say no? Well, it's actually super simple. All we need is the magic of the word not. So check this out. To make a sentence say no, all you have to do is put the word not right after our magic words am, is, or are. So it is a kite turns into it is not a kite. See? Super easy, right? And you know what this means? It's time for another game. Let's play Make It Negative. This time, I'll give you a sentence and you have to use your brand new not magic to change it. Okay, let's look at this sentence. They are green. How can we add our new magic word to say that's not true? Where does not go?
They're not green. Yes, that's it. You just pop the word not right after are. Perfect. Wow, you're getting really good at this.
All right, last one. This one is all you. How do you change the sentence, I am tall? Think hard. Where does that magic not go? I am not tall. That's exactly right. You put not right after am. Oh my gosh, you have officially mastered the magic of not. Congratulations, everyone. And just like that, poof, you did it. You've completed all of today's grammar magic lessons. You learned all about am, is, and are, and even the secret magic of not. This makes you an official grammar wizard. Okay, before we go, let's remember our magic rules one more time, really fast. With I, we always use am. With he, she, or it, we use is. With we, you, or they, we use are. And to say no, we just add not. Don't forget to practice these magic spells. So, Your final challenge, your wizard quest, is to go out and use your new powers. I wonder, what new magic sentence can you make today? Maybe you'll say, the sky is blue, or I am happy. Keep practicing, Grammar Wizards. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.